set up.
Hey, yo.
No,
That's fine,
yeah,
baby.
so,
No, they're set up.
so we'll set up
Bye.
behind 2 and 3, and then provide for everyone running up.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. No, 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 you gotta come through here. You gotta come through here. You have to come through here.
Come through here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, fuck.
Here, okay. Now, you're gonna get hit.
What's up?
That's why we'll run first.
So me
you'll
and
be your body shield.
Me and Austin are gonna take these both sides.
Okay.
When we start putting them down with cover fire, just run forward.
Yeah.
Just run forward? All right, I'm gonna run to that. I'm gonna run to that cover right there.
Is everybody running through? So we'll run first, and you guys once. Oh, geez.
Here, ready?
All right.
Ready?
I'm gonna run to that one. Okay?
On my go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, fuck. Dude, where am I getting lit up?
Everywhere, man.
Dude, are they all in the castle?
Dude, there's a fence behind you. I don't know if I'm the last. I think we should hold negotiations with the Jews.
It's over or what? Dude, where am I getting lit up though? All right.
I'm done.
2, 1, go!
Oh, fuck.
That's the reason why Brendan's out there.
Yeah.
Because
there are people over there, yeah. Come on, bro.
Straight to the center.
Hey, yo, you guys gotta come through the middle.
I don't think there's gonna be a chance for that.
You good? Fuck, I can't see shit. It's getting foggy. Oh shit, bro. Huh? Over here, over here.
Want me to run over there?
Yeah. My cover's ready. 3, 2, 1. Ah, fuck. Oh shit!
Yo!
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Hey, yo.
You guys are wrong.